Hello students, in this video I am going to talk on the topic group discussion. Group discussion is a part of writing skill and it comes under 4A. Now, how to attempt this question? The tips I would suggest, please note group discussion is not the same as dialogue writing. In group discussion, content matters a lot. Each dialogue spoken by a speaker should be of 2 to 3 lines and the content should be very good. Substantiate your point or give evidence or provide information to prove that something is true. Your point should be strong, relevant and correct. Every new dialogue should express a new point or a new perspective but not the repetition. In conclusion, summarize all the points. Do not drag the conclusion. Keep it short and direct. The evaluator announces the topic and then she will ask the students to start. The second last dialogue will be once again of the evaluator. In total, there should be 10 dialogues including 2 of the evaluator. The first dialogue and the second last will be of the evaluator. Now this question I have taken from the question bank. The question is, imagine that you have recently discussed with your friends the benefits of traveling. Write the same discussion in the form of dialogues that you have experienced. Write suitable dialogues for each participant, giving his or her opinion on the given topic. Now, the answer. The first dialogue is spoken by the evaluator where she announces the topic. Now students, whatever be the topic, make it very sure that every time the evaluator will announce the topic, you can write the same dialogue. The only thing is you have to change the topic. Then it's Mohan who speaks. Then it is Sohan who speaks. Then Meet speaks. Rohini, Sohan. Once again it's Mohan, Meet. The ninth dialogue is once again of the evaluator. Alright, everyone, your time is nearly up. Could someone conclude please? And Sohan summarizes the whole thing. This is how you have to attempt a question based on group discussion. Thank you, students.